This button allows me to do a DJ transition, like this. This transition involves using the new virtual DJ stems, the filter knob and the crossfader. Using custom mappings, it's possible to use and activate these three features using one button or one key on the keyboard. To begin with, let's look at how to map the stems. Start by opening the mapping area located under Settings. Input the key that you want to perform the transition with. I'll use the letter Y on my keyboard, but I'll show you how to transfer this to your custom button later. Under Action, I'll input the following script. Deck 1, only stem, vocal. This script means that when you press Y on your keyboard, it will turn off all stems except vocals. Let's give it a try. Let's add another action to the script. This time, we want the crossfader to move to the middle and to move the filter slightly to the right. In our action section, we will add the following script. And Deck 1, crossfader 50% and filter 60%. You can change these values according to your preference. My mama called, see you on TV, sunset shit done changed, ever since we were. Now that we have Deck 1 set for transition, let's load a song to Deck 2, and then write another action that will start playing the song on the second deck. In our action section, we will add the action, Deck 2 play. Now let's hear what these actions sound like when combined. This action will only work for transitioning from Deck A to Deck B. To transition from Deck B to Deck A, I'll use the letter U, then copy and paste the action we wrote for letter Y, but change Deck 1 to Deck 2 and Deck 2 to Deck 1. To add this action to your custom buttons, click on any of these four buttons, select Edit, and now copy and paste the action we wrote down for the letter Y. Name your button and close the window. Don't forget to edit another button for transitioning from Deck B to Deck A. The steps are the same, just copy and paste the actions you wrote for the letter U. I will leave these two mappings in the description for you to copy and paste. Next time we look at how to map a cut and drop transition.